about my live account with Hankotrade, great broker, and why I basically blew my account deliberately on purpose almost because I want to see how mistakes can emerge. Why not psychologically reverse your way of thinking and deliberately make mistakes on purpose to see how trades can go against you? I have spare extra money to do this with, so only do it if you have extra money to do it with on a live account. Don't just do this if you're a beginner, you don't know. I've done this for over a year studying the game, so I have the confidence, I have the capital to do this. So I started off with a $1,200 account, live account with Hankotrade, ECN Plus. Look on the right. Look how many reds I have. I'm going to just look at this and then I'm going to go over it with you briefly. I did this on purpose. This is an experiment. Look at my lot sizes. Look how many losses I have. Look at some of the wins. But look at this and I'll explain why. Just look on the right as I scroll down. I'll go a little bit fast so I don't want to take too long. We'll go all the way down. And I had a winning streak right there. And I let it hit my take profit in the green, you can see, for that one. The other ones that I had profit, I just closed out early. Then I made a lot of my stop losses. Why did I do this deliberately, you're asking? Well, this is how you can psychologically generate a new way of thinking. So let me go to the end. So what does it say? Negative 1,059, right? And I only have 18 in my account. I originally had like 1,100 or whatever. 1,121. So the reason I did this is because if you think about it, you're going to always lose trades and you're always going to win trades. It's always going to be a win streak, it's always going to be a lose streak, and it's going to be a fluctuation of both. But if you can actually see why you're going wrong, some people do it on a demo and they want to do that, but that's a simulation of the live account. I did it on a live account because I want to feel the emotions. Now I've developed enough data points to see why a trade can go against me. First of all, these are the reasons. I'm just jumping into the market because I want to hurry up and make money. Then I want to exit so I can save that money. Anytime I see a price going up, I want to buy. Every time I see a price going down, I want to sell. And if I see it going in profit and I'm waiting, I'm holding, I still want to exit out even if it goes higher because I just want to capture some money. If it goes down and if it ranges for a little bit and goes down and I think it's going to go down further, I jump in because I gave it enough time to see it going down. But right when I enter that trade, it's too late and now it's going up and it hits my stop loss. These are the mistakes that I've learned from this. So I'm going to wrap up this video, but test out my experiment. Deliberately make mistakes to see how things can go against you on a live account and then analyze exactly what you did and create a plan on how to prevent those.